everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Ladies, per the thumbnail, I am coming through with another quick, affordable throw and go. This is from the It's a Wig line. The style is Q as in the letter Queen, Nory. So Q Nory is a cute little bob, wavy with a bang. As I stated, it's a throw and go. This is a synthetic unit. It comes in a variety of colors. I have it in the natural color 1B, which is an off black. And it's literally a body wave bob with a bang. So again, another affordable unit for my fall and winter series. And guess what, ladies? Best of all, it is under $25. Yes, you heard me correctly. $20. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Please feel free to check out the playlist. Again, this is from the Fall and Winter Affordable Wigs collection. The playlist is right here. It will be linked up above in the cards. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you all so much for clicking on the video. If you enjoy these types of videos, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. It is free 99 after all. It didn't cost you anything. And if you did not do so on your way coming in, don't forget to blow dry on that like button. Thank you. You all stay safe out there. Stay encouraged. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.